Hello and welcome. I am teacher Melissa, and this is Afrikaans for beginners. Please note these classes are for adult native English speakers wanting to learn Afrikaans for the very first time. Welcome. This is Afrikaans for beginners, lesson 1, basic phonics. Our first letter, A, we pronounce A, like in the word umbrella. Let's say it again. Ah. An example, very similar to the word apple, we say apple. Let's say it one more time. Apple. Our second letter, the letter B, we pronounce exactly the same as in English. Ba. And also similar to ball in English, we say ball. Now you can see we can use the B we learned and the A we learned, the A and the B, and the L we also say the same as in English. Now you can say the word bowl. Let's try the word one more time. Bowl. Nice. Our third letter, we have the letter C. In Afrikaans, we say it slightly different. We say siya. Think of the ear in the word ear or hear. Let's say it again. Siya. Please note that we rarely use this word in Afrikaans. But an example would be CD. In Afrikaans, we will say CD. Let's say it again. CD. The letter D we pronounce exactly the same as in English. D. D. Also, similar to English, we have the word donkey. In Afrikaans, we say donkey. Donkey. Let's say it one more time. Da, donkey. The E, we also say the same as in English. Think of the word elephant. E. E. The example we have, angel in Afrikaans is called engel. Let's say the word one more time. Engel. Our F, we also say the same as in English, as in fairy. The example we have in Afrikaans, we call a photo foto. Foto. Next, the letter G is one of the most difficult letters to pronounce in Afrikaans. Try to think of when you gargle, grr, 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 grr. Or if you're trying to loosen something stuck in your throat. So go from the English g, g. That's where you want your tongue to be, g. But now try to push your breath forward. Think of a cat who is choking on a piece of hair and they would go. So that's the sound you want to try and make. Let's try it one or two more times. So try to make the sound slightly quicker and shorter. So from where you have something stuck in your throat to this is something you may need to practice a few times. In Afrikaans, the word yellow we call
geel,
Let's try it one more time.
geel.
Our next letter is H, and it is pronounced the same as in English, H. And just like in English, we have hand, but remember, With the A, we say A. So, hand in Afrikaans is hand. Let's say it one more time. Hand. The I in Afrikaans, we say the same as in English, but like you would use it within a word. For example, the word sit, the sound. So instead of ink, we say unk. Let's say it one more time. Ink. The J, we say slightly different. We say it the same as the y in the word you. So we say yeah. And we have an example of a jacket. In Afrikaans, we call it a jas. So let's say it one more time. Ja, jas. Now, the next few letters are pronounced exactly the same as in English. K, L, N, N. So we have a cat there, a lion, a knife, and a nest. Let's look at the Afrikaans words. K, kat. K, kat. L, leeu. L, leeu. M, mes. M, mes. N, nes. N, nes. The letter O is pronounced similar to English, but where in English we tend to say O, you have to round your lips slightly a bit more to make it O. Almost like in the word or. O. So not O, but O. The example we have is an ox. But once again, listen to the difference. O, ox. In Afrikaans, we say o, os. Let's say it one more time. O, os. The letter P and Q are pronounced exactly the same as in English. Almost like with our C, the letter Q is not used very often. But I do have an example. So, similar to English, we have prince, and it's pronounced almost the same. Prince. The biggest difference there is the R. Prince. Quad bike, we would pronounce exactly the same. Quad bike. Okay. Another very difficult letter to pronounce, probably one of the most difficult ones, is the letter R. So try to make the sound ta 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 ta. Do you feel where your tongue is? Ta 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 ta. Right here behind your teeth. That's where you want your tongue to be. So from the try to make the r sound. Think of like if you want to talk on a phone, the phone goes. So that's a nice one to practice. So try to say. You will feel your tongue will vibrate. If it does and it feels weird, you're doing it right. So you can also try with ra 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 ra. So maybe initially it will come out as ra ra ra, but try to open up your mouth a little bit and push your tongue to your teeth. Ra 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 ra. This does take a lot of practice. But once you get there, an example, also just like English, we have ring, except we say ring. Ring. You may have to practice this letter a few more times. Start with a tr, 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 and ra, ra, ra. And hopefully you get it right soon. If you don't and you struggle, you are one of many. Most native speakers, when they first learn this language, they also struggle with the R. The letter S and T we pronounce the same as in English. S and T. The examples I have, just like sun, we just say son. Let's do it one more time. S, son. The letter T, the example I have, is a suitcase. In Afrikaans, we say tas. So also remember that A, we learned the A. So T, tas. The letter U, we pronounce the same as U. U. So almost like the U, but a little bit deeper. U. And the example I have is uniform, but we say uniform. Uniform. The letter V is pronounced the same as the F in English. So both the letters V and F is pronounced in Afrikaans. This does make it very confusing. And if you're not sure if you should spell a word with F or V, you are in the same boat as most people who speak Afrikaans natively. So the letter V is pronounced. The example I have is a fish. In Afrikaans, we say vis. So let's say it one more time. Vis. Now the letter W is pronounced the same as V in English. So we say v, v. Think of the word vase. V. The example I have is wool. But instead of the woo in English, we say v, vol. V, vol. The X is pronounced the same as in English. This is also a letter which is not used very often. Just like in English, we have X-ray. In Afrikaans, we say X-straal. If we say it fast, X-straal. So why in Afrikaans we say the same as the letter A? So not the phonic A, which we say A, but the actual letter A. A. So the example, we have ice, which in Afrikaans is called ice. So think of almost the same as you would pronounce ace, the card. We say ice. Ice. The Z is pronounced the same as in English. Z. The example we have is Zulu. Z, Zulu. Okay, so let's review the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, I, Z. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.